Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. Let's draw a nice elephant within few lines. So first we're going to draw the outlines. Then later we're going to make a nice color and complete the drawing. So this is going to be the long nose an elephant may have. Okay, and you can see it's longer. Sometimes we're going to use the eraser. Okay, and let's see. All right, and just follow the instructions. You can see all the steps just to follow, and this is how a drawing is going to be completed. All right, and here we go, the legs for the front side, and this is for the left side, and the right side you can see another leg we are going to draw here. All right, and connecting it here, another just the body structure we're going to see. All right, okay, so looks like it's just sitting here. And another. Okay, so these are the legs at the back. Okay, so this is the basic shape. Now we're going to put the love sign on the top. You can see like this one. Okay, so three of them in different directions. Let's put the color. Okay, so maybe the according to the size we're going to make the head a little bigger. So for any kind of drawing you need the adjustment, even if already drawn, but you can need the adjustment again. So this is how we do it, step by step process. All right, now we're going to make it a bold color so you can see the outlines. All right, so this is the very big ears. Here the eyes. Okay, and you can see the front portion. Okay, and now I'm going to draw the legs of the front side. Another one here, the leg on the right side, and you can see the partial view of the other leg, and this is the back. Okay, the love sign here, you can see three of them on the top, and this is going to be the grasses. Okay, so few graphics for the grasses. These are the basic steps for the grasses. All right, now we're going to put the colors. So coming up the colors from the left side, so this is going to be the dark yellow, and other sides remains white. Okay, so this looks like a shade and shadow for the big elephant. Okay, so when we put the shade, we don't put the colors in all the places. If we put the color all the places, it looks like a cartoon figure, but in other places, if you want to make it looks like a sketch, then you have to put the colors according to the rules of the shadow. It looks like the shade is fallen on the same side for all over the body. And some parts or some portions are just getting the lighted color. Okay, very light color because of the front facet or the front face towards the light source. Okay, So this is how the drawing is done. All right, so you can see the effect, and let's put the pink color for the love sign. Looks very good. And the green color for the grasses. So actually I'm putting the light green color here. Okay, and you can see the dark green for the density of the grasses. Awesome. So very simple drawing, very simple in few steps. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Have a good day.